Looking for ways to boost power and enhance your engine's performance? This high-efficiency oil pump designed specifically for 1999 to 2006 Harley Touring Softail and Dyna twin cam 88 engines is the perfect choice for you. The TIGERSGATE Oil Pump is crafted from 6061 aluminum alloy, offering a sleek design combined with a high-flow rotor gear and a slim pressure housing to ensure optimal performance. Let's get it installed and see the difference together. Make sure the oil pump is clean and apply lubricant to it. The pump is already pre-lubricated, so no additional lubricant is necessary. Place the gasket in position, allowing it to blend with the lubricant. Remember to apply lubricant to the O-ring at the end. As shown in the video, add lubricant to the rotor and small gear. The remaining steps are straightforward. Carefully position the TIGERSGATE oil pump onto the small gear, ensuring all internal components are aligned properly to avoid affecting the pump's function. Note that you'll need to remove the 4 bolts that come with the oil pump. To ensure smooth operation, add some. The oil pump installation is now complete. Next, we'll install the cam plate and replace it with a new gasket and cover. Follow us to unlock more Harley modification parts. Thank you for watching.